This is a quick tutorial for my favorite 5-minute flower. So it's got 5 petals, it takes literally under 5 minutes if you know what you're doing, and you start with a magic loop. So pinch there, wrap around, pinch again, go into that loop, grab the yarn, go back in, grab the yarn again, pull through the loop you created on your hook, rotate it around a bit so that the yarn will move freely. Sorry, your magic loop. Then you're going to do a half double crochet, so yarn over into the center of the loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. And again, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over into the center, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Then you're going to single stitch a chain, then you're going to go into the center of the loop and slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 1. Alright, this is where I like to tighten the magic loop a little bit just to keep things straight and clear. So your chain, and then you're going to wrap yarn over, go into the center, yarn over, finish your half double crochet there, yarn over, half double crochet in groups of 3 for this. Each petal has 3 stitches. 3 half double crochets, and you chain 1, slip stitch into the center, so you stitch into the center, yarn over and pull through, then you're going to chain 1, chain 1, yarn over, do 3 more half double crochets, 2, and here's your 3rd, then single stitch, slip stitch into the center of the magic loop again, and chain 1, and yarn over, 1, if I could pull through, there's 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, in, yarn over, 3, single chain, slip stitch into the middle, pull through, single chain, yarn over, into the center, and over, half double crochet, 2, and here's your 3rd half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, so you do a single crochet, you'll slip stitch into the center, to pull it tighten a little bit there, then you will cut your yarn off. I like to leave a little tail because usually I'm sewing these flowers onto something. And then you will tie off like so. Then you have the tail of your magic loop right there. And this is the tail of your main yarn. I like to tuck it up in through the center, so I'll just do that. And then you're just going to pull the magic loop to tighten, as tight as you can get it. And again, I like to then take these 2 strands that are back here once I get it tight enough, and I will usually tie these together so that my flower will stay tight and looking cute and perky. If it doesn't look enough like a flower for you, you can just kind of give it a little fluff, use a little imagination, and you're good to go. And there's your 5-minute, 5-petal quick flower.